it's Brooks from Contoura. I wanted to take a few minutes and address a question that I get from my patients almost on a daily basis, and that is, how long will my fillers last? And there is a simple answer to that question. Most fillers I use last between a year and 2 years. However, it becomes a little bit more complicated than that for each specific patient. I choose fillers based on part of the face I'm choosing to fill and how much mobility I need in that filler and how natural we need it to look, which my goal is to always make a patient feel like natural and refreshed without looking overdone. So my filler selection mirrors that aesthetic goal. The more mobile the area that the filler is placed, the faster it tends to metabolize. So what that means for the patient is, if I'm filling your lips or anywhere around the mouth, you can imagine that is a part of the face that does move often. So we may need to fill that area a little more often. Now, if I'm filling a cheek that doesn't tend to move, that filler lasts up to 2 years often. And we really will discuss that in a consultation and set some expectations on what to expect from your fillers. Having said that, as I choose these fillers for each patient, I tend to like to see my patients back every 3 to 4 months with the goal of being natural and the goal of achieving a natural aesthetic look. I don't want any patient to feel like they have to let the filler run out before getting refilled. We often refill and layer these fillers every 3 to 4 months apart so we can get a longevity out of them, so we can get this look to last longer than just a few months or 1 year. We want to be able to maintain that aesthetic so you never have to backtrack and start from ground zero. So, simple answer, somewhere around a year. Complicated answer, I try to get as much length out of that filler depending on the part of your face I am filling, while making you look very natural, and I will set that expectation for you and be very honest with you about how often I need to see you or what we can expect out of the filler. So I hope that clarifies some of my goal as an injector and also what kind of commitment that you'll be getting yourself into when you start fillers. But anytime there's any questions about longevity, know my best interest is to keep everybody natural, to keep everybody refreshed, but still being very mindful people's schedules and their ultimate goals. So I hope that is a little more clear for everyone, and feel free to ask me any questions anytime.